before you do all this, make sure you wear your proper PPE. So me, I'm going to be wearing some gloves, and yeah, I'll be wearing gloves. You wear your safety goggles and all that because you're dealing with chemicals that spray out. I got these heart goggles as well. And now we have our dye, so we can make sure that we have full coverage. Oh, don't get none on me. Woo, this dye is strong. Oh, okay. I'm messy. Woo. All right. And I didn't read it first. So as y'all see, make sure you wear clothes that you get dirty. How much of this? It says add half an ounce to every gallon. Oh, and I got some on the table, and that will stain, I believe. It's all coming on the table. It may go away. You guys, this stuff gets messy. Really messy. All right, you guys. So I know y'all can't see it, but for me, an ounce is up here, and I'm on my half an ounce mark. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and pour it in, and that water turned blue. All right, you guys. Let me get a wipe and try to clean this and clean this. Looks like it can come up for the looks of it. All right, so there you go. I'm all messy here. Very messy. All right, my OCD is gonna kick in. So, all right, you guys, you wouldn't believe it if I told you, but this stuff is clean. The only thing I can say is my table got a little stain, but that's fine. I was planning on sanding down this table anyway. So you can see the blue dye. All right, you guys, so we are going to do the final review on this laser dye. I want to say that, man, if this is your first time using the laser dye, just put something down. Okay, because I basically stained my countertop, which I didn't mind because y'all know me. I will sand down the countertop, restain it. I already had plans on doing that anyway because we still going to remodel this garage. I think I want to repaint it anyway. Blah, blah, blah. Sorry. Let's get back to the topic. All right. So back to the laser dye. I want to say that this is one of my favorite things to use now because now I know where I'm spraying. Okay. So if I get anything with concentrate, weed killer, grass killer, bug spray, this will be something for me because, you know, a lot of times when you spray down, you don't really remember where you sprayed at. So this will definitely give you your marking. And I want to say that the color is very visible, you guys. Very visible. You can see it. And I will say maybe like give it like a day or two, then the dye is gone from your lawn. Well, I can't really say that because it rained, so you know, it is what it is, but the dye do go away. So there is no more dye on the grass right now. And it has been a week, but keep in mind, I did have a lot of rain. So, and the dye don't really bother you that much. It will let everybody know, oh, he did something to his yard. Also, just keep in mind, this stuff gets very messy. Very, very, very messy. So please put something down. Please. All right. And wear clothes that you usually get dirty, like your lawn clothes or your yard working clothes or whatever working clothes you use, because this stuff will stain your clothes. So just be careful with that. If you have any more questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.